Yo, what's going on, everybody? Man, it's your boy True, and today I will be doing some sneaker cleaning. So I will be using the Jason Markk Premium Sneaker Care, Shoe Care, and I will be cleaning my red ones. I haven't worn these in a while. There's like some glitter on them, so that's like the main thing that I'm trying to get off. Not sure where I was last when I wore them, where all this little glitter got on it, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna be using. So, Jason Markk Premium Shoe Care. I've been having it for a while now. This particular kit comes with your premium cleaner. Then this is the repellent. I really haven't used this. I've used it maybe once. I'll probably do a repellent review later. You got your microfiber towel, and it comes with 2 brushes. So make sure I read the back to get this right. You got your standard cleaning brush and your premium shoe cleaner. The premium is more for your suede and stuff like that. I usually use, I want to say this, I usually use the standard one, but I'm not sure which one is the standard one. This is the one I probably use the most, based on the dirt that's like inside of that particular compartment. So yeah, let's get it popping, man. Got a little bit of water with the instructions. So I'll try to get the instructions up. So yeah, dip brush into a bowl of water, apply liberal amount of solution to brush, dip it back into the bowl, scrub shoes, creating foaming action, wipe clean. So that is it. That is how it's done. That will be the steps that we'll be following. And yeah, let's get started. So I guess I'm gonna go with whichever one like feels the softest, since this is, in my opinion, premium leather. This might be this one. So, all right. So we'll dip the brush, and let's get a little bit of just drop some on there. Dip the brush again, and alright, I have a little towel that I'm using to keep my hands dry, and we'll start with the first one. So just foam it up. Nice good clean foam. Trying to keep everything. I'm probably just going to clean where the, I guess the, oh, shouldn't put that down on the front like that. Probably just trying to get the it's a little bit up here. So yeah, just trying to, oh, look at this, check's bending over. Alright, that's about it. I won't do any additional cleaning. I'm just going to clean the spots where there seem to be some type of trash or dirt. Alright, and I just set this to the side, and I'm gonna just wipe it off. We'll see what we have. Just wipe, and voila! Oh snap! See the leather's kind of getting wet there. Don't really want that. That's why I didn't want to keep this on there long. So yeah, boom. That's it. That is pretty clean. As you can see, it's the glitter's going. I missed a little piece up here by the laces, but I'll probably get that a little later. Same thing with that. Water, kind of wipe it off. So that's it. I guess I'll get back to see how this dries, but this is probably the safest that I would use for the braids that I own anyway, because of the leather. So I'm expecting it to dry and not really have an issue as far as with the leather and stuff. So that's it, man. I will get back to y'all and let y'all know how it dries, man. But that's it. Using that Jason Markk Premium Shoe Cleaner. Simple, not hard at all. It's been your boy True, man. Peace. However, I'm upside down, so you know.